Looking for a dependable way to replace your RV's worn-out outlet? Imagine having a dual outlet that fits perfectly, offers secure connections, and blends seamlessly with your RV's interior. This isn't just any replacement, it's designed specifically for RVs, rated at 125 volts AC, and comes with everything you need, including a cover plate and fasteners. When I needed to replace a broken outlet in my RV, I chose this dual outlet from RV Designer. Installation wasn't a breeze. Some reviewers warned about the challenge of clamping it with wires in place, and they were right. Without a C-clamp or professional help, it could have been frustrating. But once installed, it looked great and gave me peace of mind knowing the connections were solid and secure. It's clear this product was made with the RV lifestyle in mind, reflecting years of experience since RV Designer started crafting custom drapes back in 1993. If you want a reliable, RV-specific outlet replacement that comes ready to install with all necessary parts, this dual outlet is a smart choice. Don't settle for generic parts that might not fit or hold up. Upgrade your RV's electrical system today with a product trusted by RV owners across the country. Check it out now and make your next RV trip safer and more comfortable.